Hey everybody, Steve from Internet City Computers Detroit here with another tip for you on Fix It Right. So Microsoft did it again. They took away our ability to log on to Windows 11 without creating a Microsoft account by taking away the use of the keyboard when you install Windows 11. So here's what you do. Quick workaround. Join us over here and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so we just installed Windows 11 and here it brings us to the create your Microsoft account or log into your Microsoft account screen so that you can continue setting up your computer. Usually to bypass this you'll hit Shift F10. It'll bring up a DOS prompt and you can type in a command that will kind of get you around this, but Microsoft has now disabled this keyboard so you can't do that. Easy solution. Plug an external keyboard in, just like this, normal one. And on that keyboard, you can hit Shift F10 and voila, it brings up your command prompt. And then from here, you can type in OO, let's get this in here. Okay. OOBE /bypassNRO, enter. It's going to restart. When it restarts, it's going to bring you to a window. I'll fast forward through this. Okay, so down here at the bottom it says I don't have internet. We'll click on that and you can continue setting up your Windows 11 machine. We're just going to put owner in here because now you can use your keyboard. No password, we're just going to log in. And I hope that helps you all. If it does, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on Fix It Right. Adios.